Today, we will talk about how to start a handyman business. Let's have a look at the details. In general, a handyman refers to anyone who performs odd jobs involving general building maintenance and repair. While many handymen are employed by large maintenance companies, others are self-employed. Small startup companies often compete with more established trade firms in the areas of electrical work, painting, carpentry, heating and cooling, and many other aspects of building and maintenance. If you would like to be your own boss and start a handyman business of your own, there are a few steps you must take. The first step is laying the foundation. Have enough experience to work independently. Relevant experience can be obtained through other handyman companies or through fields such as plumbing, construction, building maintenance, or property management. Figure out a business plan. Before moving forward, you will need a clear idea of what kind of business you would like to create. Choose and register your business's name. Make sure potential clients can tell that it is a handyman service from the name alone. Try to find a name that has an available simple web address and isn't similar to other local businesses. Obtain required licensing. Licensing requirements will vary depending on your location. Many common handyman jobs are simple and require only one person to do them. Hire additional employees if necessary. Purchase appropriate insurance. At the very least, you must insure your company's vehicle. It is also important to have liability insurance. Many insurance companies have policies tailored specifically for handymen. The second step is purchasing equipment. Make sure you and your workers have reliable transportation. If you already own a truck or van, you may choose to use your own personal vehicle. Otherwise, buy or rent one large enough to safely accommodate any necessary materials. Assemble a complete toolkit for each of your workers. Each person at your company should have a basic, easily transportable set of tools. Have a reliable supplier for relevant materials. These may include nails, wood, pipes, fixtures, specialty tools, and other items commonly needed for handymen to get a job done. The particulars will depend on what types of jobs your company focuses on and is hired to do. Buy your supplies in bulk. As a handyman, you will likely use large volumes of items like nails and wood. Buying these materials in bulk at per unit prices under the single unit cost will save your business money over time. Keep detailed records of your purchases. This is very important when filing your taxes, as most countries allow you to deduct business expenses like equipment from your gross income. And the third step is growing your business. Network and build up business connections. When you're first starting out, most of your work will come from established social contacts. Talk to former coworkers in the field and ask them to refer potential clients. Tell your friends, family, and neighbors about your new business. Advertise your services effectively. Print flyers and distribute them around your city. Ask local businesses, such as hardware stores and coffee shops, to display them. Take out an ad in your local newspaper. Design an effective website. First, register a domain that is easy for clients to remember and similar to your business name. From there, you can either design your website from scratch or by using templates. You may also choose to hire an expert to create your website for you. Use social media. Social media can be used as an extremely effective, low-cost, or no-cost method of advertising your business. Register an official account for your business on top websites like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Solicit reviews of your business. After every job, politely ask your clients to leave a review of your services on their favorite relevant website. Expand your business. In the beginning, your business will be small. However, as your business grows, you may find your schedule filling quickly. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.